on my video of the lock. And if you need to mess with it, there's a little tab right here, and there's one on the other side. You really won't be able to see it. It's inside. You have to press it. That'll let these little clips out. And those are spring-loaded clips, so be careful. You're going to have to push them up when you want to put them in. And this is your lock piece. And this is where the lock has to be. And I got it on start. In the right position. Be careful. It can only go in one way. Column. And let's make sure it's in. This is on the start position. It'll only sink in one way carefully. I got lots of grease. I love grease. And then this is also on the same position. Push it in with the clips. Let me pause it. Okay, I paused it because I had to push the little buttons for the little clips on in here to get the clip in, and I had to push this all the way. And now, if you can see, it's turning. It's no issues. And then we can bolt it back up and get it going. So it just took a little bit to get it in the right position, otherwise that thing locks in the way. Find my little Torx screws, T25s, and then you can put the column back together. This gives you more idea of how to actually tear the column apart. And you don't have to take the steering column off the car or nothing like that. So that's my dilemma. And now I'm done. Got lock, start, key should remove out, and we'd be good to go. But you got out in the run position and you're done. Thank you for watching.